In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to 4x your research in Perplexity AI. Whether you're a researcher, student, or just someone who enjoys diving deep into various topics, learning to optimize your use of Perplexity AI can be a game changer. Let's get started. First, we'll head over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and type Google into the search bar. Once you're on Google's homepage, it's time to search for Perplexity. This search will guide you to the official website of Perplexity AI, where all the magic happens. In the search results, find the official Perplexity AI website and click on the link to navigate to their homepage. Now that you're on the Perplexity AI website, the next step is to create a prompt. Let's use an example to illustrate this process. Let's say you're interested in finding the fastest ways to earn money online. This is a broad question, so it allows us to explore different aspects and gather a wide range of information. Type this question into the prompt box provided on the Perplexity website. The goal here is to repeat this search process 4 times, each time with different related keywords. This might involve using synonyms or focusing on different aspects related to the main question, like best online freelance jobs, profitable online business ideas, ways to monetize digital content, or high-demand online skills. Once you've typed in your query, go ahead and click the Submit button. This action sends your query to the powerful algorithms of Perplexity AI, which immediately start working on gathering information from diverse sources online. Perplexity is known for compiling and summarizing data from multiple sources, giving you a condensed view of what's out there. As Perplexity processes your request, you'll notice that the AI seems to be working hard, essentially engaging in what we could call thinking 4 times for each prompt variation. This is where the term 4x comes into play. By using different angles through various keywords, you maximize the breadth and depth of information gathered by the AI, essentially quadrupling its output for your research needs. Remember, the quality of your search results can often depend on the specificity and creativity of your prompts. Don't hesitate to experiment with varied terminologies and perspectives related to the topic you are exploring. This method is an effective way to enhance your research efficiency, providing you with a broader scope of insights and possibly uncovering information you might not have thought to look for initially. With diligent practice, you'll become adept at crafting queries that yield the most relevant and comprehensive results, helping you make the most of the robust capabilities of Perplexity AI. And there you have it, an efficient approach to leveraging Perplexity AI to supercharge your research. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!